In 2020, the Jefferson County Department of Health launched an online training program for Naloxone, a medication designed to rapidly reverse opioid overdose. And after the training, people are sent the medication. Now, there have been some questions circulating about this training and who can get access to the medication. We have our Sedona Meadows in studio who looked more into this. Sedona, what can you tell us?
Well, Nixon, some people have been asking if they can still be sent naloxone and fentanyl testing strips after the training, even if they don't live in Jefferson County, and overall wondering how the training works.
Here on the Jefferson County Department of Health's website, if you type in naloxone, it'll take you to a few different results. Clicking on naloxone training registration will then take you to a page that allows you to choose the products you may need: a naloxone kit, fentanyl testing strips, or both.
In the fall of 2020, we received permission to dispense naloxone to those who are at risk of overdose or are in a position to assist someone at risk of overdose via mail. And so we began dispensing naloxone via mail in December of 2020.
Dr. Darlene Traffenstedt, who was a medical director for JCDH, spearheaded this online program during the pandemic since people were unable to receive training in person. The training is offered in both English and Spanish, and from the start asks your address, contact information, and if you live in Jefferson County. This is where you can put in the county specific to you, so we can verify that yes, it will be sent to anyone who completes the training in Alabama.
For those that are outside of our county, we will mail it to them via U.S. mail, priority mail, with tracking to make sure that it is received by the individual who requested it. It comes in a nondescript white priority mailbox with no indication on the outside of what is inside the box.
Once you submit your contact information, it will take you to the training portion, where there are 2 8-minute-long videos that walk you through what naloxone is and how to use it, as well as working with fentanyl testing strips, how to read the results, and precautions you should still take. After watching the videos, you simply check and acknowledge the statements and disclaimer, as well as providing your digital signature. Then you choose how you would like to receive your materials and hit submit. You should then receive a confirmation email and expect to receive these items in the mail.
JCDH says they've seen a great uptake in people signing up for the training and receiving their naloxone. There's also a standing order of the state health officer that allows any individual to go to a pharmacy and receive naloxone without a prescription, although you are still subject to fees.